Hi, this is Ben Myers from Ben Myers International Movie Critics. Tonight we're going to talk about the American film King-Sized Canary. It is a 1947 Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer distribution. Ben Myers' rating is 3.8 out of 5 stars. This animated short film is about a starving cat raids a home and finds a mouse, but the mouse refers him to the canary in the next room. Should you buy this ticket? Maybe. This is well portrayed and presented, but seems almost cliched. This has been Myers. Have a great entertainment weekend.